Welcome to Nehan Drawing!
Pick up your pencil, let's start to play. We're making magic on the page today. Follow the curve as it bends so round. A sweet little heart is what we found. Now add a ribbon, a bow on the side, right at the top where the secrets hide. Draw a straight line, pulling down so neat, to make the handle for our candy treat. Floating above, two hearts in the air, drifting like bubbles without a care. One eye is winking, one eye is wide, with rosy cheeks waiting right inside. With rosy cheeks waiting right inside. Dip in the colors, let the paint flow. Make that ribbon a bright yellow glow. Fill in the heart with a blush of pink, shading the edges while you blink. Soft light blue for the stick down low. Watch as the image starts to grow. Every stroke makes it look so bright, putting our focus in the light. Look at the finished art we made. Colors so vivid, colors that fade. The drawing is ready, looking so grand. The cutest creation in the land. Grab your marker, find your place. Let's make a circle just for space. Then pull it down and give a squeeze. A heart is forming, don't you freeze. Color it pink, don't you freeze. Color it pink, a happy hue. It's waiting there for me and you. Wink with the left and blush so red. Keep the magic in your head. Two small hearts are floating in the sky. Oh, a heart on a stick, what a treat. Drawing our world is so sweet. Don't forget the yellow bow, a tiny knot to make it glow. A straight blue line to hold it tight. Now it's ready, shining bright. Just a stick and just a heart. Just a stick and just a heart. That's the secret of our art. Wink with the left and blush so red. Keep the magic in your head. Two small hearts are floating in the sky. Oh, a heart on a stick, what a treat. Drawing our world is so sweet. There, it's all finished. Your heart is so pretty. Now go show everyone.